Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 91 Snowberry Crescent with Spencerport Schools.
This is a cool California split, updated to perfection.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This chic and stylish home greets you with a cathedral ceiling great room. With a designer kitchen with custom hand-painted cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and an artistic breakfast bar. Open to the dining area with deck access. And an expansive living area with maintenance-free flooring. All with an adjacent bonus room or office.
The upstairs features 3 amazing bedrooms and an updated full bathroom, including the spacious owner's bedroom with room for a bathroom of its own. This home also features a spacious family room with an adjacent powder room and laundry.
This is an amazing, fully fenced-in backyard with an expansive Trex deck and patio. Great for entertaining, plus a large shed for storage.
Nearby this property is First Responders Park. Here we are in the charming village of Spencerport.
That's right, Spencerport has great restaurants and shops and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 91 Snowberry Crescent with Spencerport Schools.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!